So just taking a quick look at Solana here on our daily time frame. As always, before we begin, as you can see on screen, make sure you go down below and grab yourself some amazing deals from our partners. Tons of free money on offer, so sign up below and go and get involved. Definitely a good way to get some free money when the markets are looking as dire as this. And we're taking a look at Solana then. As we can see, Solana here has had a pretty bearish time recently, pretty much just because Bitcoin has been retracing. And just retracing Solana as well. Pretty obvious, as you can see, it has potentially also lost this generational trendline support that we have been holding for Solana for a good while, which could prove to be potentially a very, very decent pullback area for Solana if we continue to dump here. Obviously, Solana's been a bit of a stable coin over the past few years, and overall has shown a lot of strength compared to a lot of other altcoins, so I'm not too concerned about it for the long term. Getting into some nice long-term entries actually down here at 138 right now as I'm recording this video. You can see we have just been retracing and retracing to the downside here, breaking through these big daily fair value gap support areas. Ever since we came down here and rejected this first daily that we created on this pullback here, I was thinking that we could be in for some more pain. We obviously got that liquidation cascade Friday the 10th of October, tapped into this lower fair value gap, created this huge fair value gap above that we could not break, and then came for another run to the downside, sweeping out this very obvious area of liquidity. We come down again to the next daily fair value gap, bounce into the one above that was the previous support, got rejected, and then as you can see, another area of support. We ripped through that as well. Solana right now just looking like it's coming down and seeking some of these lows for a potential sweep and then bounce. We've got this very obvious low below that I want to see swept at this point at $125. Maybe we can see a bounce out of this low of this previous range. You can see this previous range has had a lot of credence in terms of these strong levels. Support and resistance all the way through here. We've obviously come down, tapped into $100. So resistance and support here. And now coming down to see whether or not this area will be support again. Right now, Solana looking like it's getting a bit of a bounce out of this area preemptively. We'll have to see what happens next. But overall, right now, Solana really nothing going on that is its own making. It's just Bitcoin retracing the market. Bitcoin currently bouncing out of a big weekly fair value gap, so it'll be interesting to see the reaction here. And we're at the 618 Fibonacci of the local move. Right now, I think Bitcoin's in a good spot to get a bounce, to be honest. And if we do start V-shaping back up like this for Bitcoin, it's going to be good for our altcoins. Solana, not doing too much right now. We're going to have to wait and see what happens next with this one. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.